Tuesday, April 16th, out for a little hike in the forest past our neighborhood. It is chilly and quite breezy out too, but it's not raining, so that's good. Just out for a little practice. So I think I am going to attempt to set up the tent and see how it goes. I found this decent spot. There's no elk poo on here like there was back the first place I was looking. And the sun has come out again. It's still pretty breezy, but not as windy as out by the river. So I'll see how it goes.